Hello everyone. So in this exercise we are going to discuss the questions of 6.3 in this video. That is we have done up to 6.3 in our last part. Okay, means all the theorems and all these things. So we will be discussing about these questions. I'll just move to question number 1 first. So what is there in question number 1? In figure 6.39, see we are given with a figure. Okay, already a figure is given to us. Okay, it is something like this one. I always tell you this thing that please draw a neat and clean figure. ओके एक बहुत अच्छी फिगर ड्रॉ करना है सबसे पहले, बिकॉज फिगर इट सेल्फ सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन, वही सॉल्व कर देती है. सो वी आर गिवन विद दिस फिगर और क्यू पी and this angle is 110 degree. See, we are given with two angles, angle SPR, this one 135 degree, and angle PQ, oh sorry, this one is point T, this one is point T, and angle PQT, this one is given 110 degree. Okay, and we need to find, what we need to find, we will write here, to find angle PRQ. Okay, we need to find angle PRQ. PRQ. So this angle we need to find. Now from the figure itself you can easily determine this angle. Figure से भी solve हो जाएगा. देखो, we try to solve this. Now all you know is that if this angle 1, okay, this is angle 1 and I'll take this the outer one as angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2. See, I am taking this one as 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is how much? It is 180 degree. You all know about it, linear pair. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. Linear pair. Okay. Now from this angle 2 is 135 degree, we all know. So angle 1 plus 135 will be equals to 180. So that means this angle 1 will be 180 minus 135. It will be how much? 45 degree. Okay. So that means this angle 1 is how much? It is 45 degree. We have find out the angle 1 that we have done equals to 45. Now take this as angle 3. This angle 1 plus angle 3. We need to find this angle. हमें यही angle निकालना है PRQ. So this angle 1 plus angle 3 will be equals to this 110. You all know about it, exterior angle property. So angle 1 plus angle 3, I'll take angle 1 plus angle 3 will be equals to 110 degree. It is exterior angle property. Okay, you can write in long form also, exterior angle property. So angle 1 plus angle 3, we all know about angle 1. Angle 1 is how much? 45. So in place of angle 1 I am putting 45 plus angle 3 will be 110. So angle 3 will be how much? 110 minus 45, and it is 65 degree. That is what we are getting our angle PRQ that is required. That means our angle PRQ is how much? Angle PRQ is how much? It is 65 degree. Okay, this is our angle PRQ. We have done. Okay, so similarly we can move to the next one. Same questions are there, just you need to focus on the things of these kind, like linear pair. Okay, then where exterior angle property is used, where angle sum property is used, means all these things you need to remember from the figure itself. I always tell you, just go inside the figure, find out everything. You need to move inside the figure. A figure is having all the things. In geometry, a figure is the most important thing we are having. Okay, so let's move to the second one, question number 2. Okay, and see what is there in question number 2. Again we are given with a figure. Okay, again we are given with a figure, and that is the one. So we will draw it yes, x, y, z, and this point is O. This angle is given 62 degree, and there this complete one x, y, z, this one is given 54 degree. Now we need to find what? Find I'll write here some given things. You also write always, है ना, to some given things whatever is given, to find angle OZY and angle YOZ. Okay, these two angles we need to find. So we'll start with the solution. And also this YO and OZ are the bisector, I tell you. YO and OZ are the bisectors. So if YO is the bisector, if YO is the bisector, that means this angle OYZ, means I am discussing about this half of the angle. This angle 1, I will name it. This angle 1 will be how much? Angle 1 will be half of this 54 degree. Half of this 54 degree, क्योंकि ये complete 54 था, तो angle 1 कितना हो गया? Half, क्योंकि YO क्या है? Bisector. It is dividing this angle. So it will be how much? 27 degree. Angle 1 will be 27 degree. Now moving to, okay, see in triangle XYZ. Now we are talking about the whole triangle. In triangle XYZ, see XYZ, this 62 plus this means angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z. Okay, all these angles sum up to 180 degree. इन तीनों angles का sum कितना आएगा? 180 degree. So X is how much? 62. Then Y is how much? 54. And we need to find first angle Z. It will be how much? It will be, we'll add 62 plus 54 and subtract. Angle Z will be 180 minus 4 plus 2, 6 plus 5, 11. Okay, so angle Z we are getting is 64 degree. Okay, that means what? This complete angle we are getting at 64. Okay, we are getting this complete angle at 64. Again, OZ is also the bisector. It is given. It is given in your question. So we'll write here OZ is the bisector. OZ is the bisector. So if OZ is the bisector, again we are having this angle 2. This angle 2 will be how much? Angle 2 will be 1 upon 2, half of 64 degree, and it will be 32 degree. So that means what? We are able to find angle OZY. OZY हमने find out कर दिया, because OZY ही तो angle 2 है. That means our angle OZY is equals to what? 32 degree. Okay, now let's see in the figure again. We also need to find this angle YOZ. हम लोगों को ये भी find out करना है. अभी देखो हमने angle 1 find out कर लिया है 2. So I'll name it as angle 3. See now, this OYZ is also a triangle OYZ. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 in triangle OYZ. I am talking about OYZ. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equals to 180. Is it? Then angle 1 and 2, we already having value. Value of angle 1 is 27 and angle 2 is 32. You can see 1 is 27, 2 is 32. Okay, so angle 1 is 27 plus angle 2 is 32 plus angle 3 will be equals to 180. So angle 3 will be equal to 180 minus 27 plus 32. How much we are getting? 59. So angle 3 will be equals to 10 minus 9, 1, 17, 12, 121 degree. Okay, this is what we are getting angle 3. Angle 3 is 121, and this angle 3 is which one? YOZ, that we need to find out, this one. Okay, so in this way you can find all the angles. Once you start, you will not stop, because you all know the properties. We have every time we are studying the same things, so you know about these things, है ना? So you can do it. ऐसे कर सकते हो तुम. Okay, so let's move to the next one. By using the all the properties, you can do all the questions. Question number 3, what is there? We are again given with a figure. Okay, again we are given with a figure. This one I'll draw here. Okay, we are given with point D, E, C, A and B. Okay, this is given angle 35 degree. Okay, this one is given as 53 degree. And what we need to find, I'll write here, to find what we need to find, angle DCE, angle DCE. Okay, which one is angle DCE? This one. We need to find this angle. Okay, and this AB is parallel to DE. It is given that AB and DE are parallel. This AB and DE are parallel. So if this AB and DE are parallel, then this angle 1, if I take this angle 1, this angle 1 will be equal to 35. Okay, so solution, I'll take AB parallel to DE, which is given, which is the given thing. So that means this angle 1 will be equals to 35 degree. Well, 1 will be equals to 35. Why? Because AB and DE are parallel. So angle 1 is 35. That means why? Alternate interior angles. Okay. Region you always have to write. I already told you. Region, without region there is no question. Huh? Okay. Then angle 1 is equals to 35. Now, if angle 1 equals to 35, then in triangle DCE, you can see triangle DCE, we are talking about this triangle, this angle 1 plus this angle 2 and this 53, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus this 53 degree will be equals to 180, you can clearly see angle 1 plus 2 plus 53, 180. Why? Angle sum property. Always write the region. See, always you need to write the region in brackets. है ना, हमेशा लिखना है, कभी उसको छोड़ना नहीं है. Sometime if I am leaving it, you can write. है ना, ऐसा मत सोचना नहीं सर आप भूल गए थे तो हम भी भूलेंगे. I am not losing my marks, but you can lose. Okay, so if I am forgetting any region, but I am discussing it, always I am discussing it. Okay. So angle 1 is how much? 35. So angle 2 plus, see, I'll take the value 35 plus angle 2 plus 53 will be equals to 180. Okay. Now 35 plus 53, they will be subtracted on that side. So 180 minus how much? 53 plus 35 is, it is 88. Okay. So angle 2 will be how much we are getting? 180 minus 88, 10 minus 8. 92, we are getting 92. So this is what angle 2, or we can say angle DCE is, DCE equals to 92. That is the value we are getting. Always put your answer in bracket, whatever final answer you are getting, always put it in bracket so it will be clearly seen. Okay, now moving to the next question, question number 4, what we are given with. Okay, will not waste that much time, because see, this exercise is not that much tough. You all know the basic things of this exercise, so we are not going to check what is happening. Okay, so question number 4, we are given with a figure again. For question number 4. I am drawing here. Okay, this is the figure we are given with, P R T S Q. Okay, this is the figure we are given with. This angle 95 degree, 40 degree, 75 degree. Okay, so what we need to find out? Okay, we'll write to find what we need to find. Angle SQT. एस क्यू टी, सबसे पहले हम मेंशन करेंगे कहाँ पे है एंगल एस क्यू टी, दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड, क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, एंगल एस क्यू टी को फाइंड आउट करना है। सी एंगल एस क्यू टी, दिस वन, ये वाला एंगल चाहिए हम लोगों को। अब ये मत बोल देना कि सर ये और ये पैरेलल है, नहीं है, वो नहीं दे रखा है। ओके, सो हाउ टू फाइंड दिस एंगल एस क्यू टी, देखो ध्यान से। नाउ फॉर दिस ट्राइंगल, देखो ये वाला जो ट्राइंगल है ना, ये वाला ट्राइंगल टी पी आर, ओके, एंड डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इन ट्राइंगल टी पी आर। देखना इस वाले ट्राइंगल में टी पी आर में द सम ऑफ दीज टू एंगल्स इज इक्वल्स टू दिस एंगल, एक्सटीरियर एंगल। आई टेक दिस वन एज एंगल 1। You all know about exterior angle property na, that's why I am taking. So angle 1 will be equals to 95 degree plus 45 degree। देख लो एंगल टी पी आर में बात किया मैंने, 95 डिग्री प्लस 40 डिग्री इक्वल्स टू एंगल 1। वाई, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी। देख लो यही होता है एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, है ना। सो एंगल 1 विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 95 प्लस 40, ओके, इट विल बी 135 डिग्री। देख लो एंगल 1 आ गया। अब नीचे वाले ट्राइंगल में आ जाओ, नीचे वाले में आ जाओ। आई टेक दिस वन एंगल 2, जो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है एंगल 2 ले लेते हैं हम उसको। इन ट्राइंगल एस टी क्यू, अब ये वाला ट्राइंगल ले रहा हूँ मैं, इन ट्राइंगल एस टी क्यू, एंगल 2 प्लस दिस 75, देखो एंगल 2 प्लस दिस 75 इज इक्वल्स टू दिस एंगल 1। angle 2 plus 75 degree equals to angle 1। again exterior angle property we are having, again exterior angle property, angle 2 plus this angle, I can name this angle also, you can name QST, you can name here if you want QST, ऐसे नेम भी रख सकते हैं। एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल QST will be angle 1, exterior angle property। now put the value, angle 2 plus 75 degree equals to what, 135। why, because angle 1 is 135, so angle 2 will be equals to 135 minus 75, it will be 60 degree, that is angle TQS that we need to find। यही निकालना था, इस तरह से कर सकते हैं। and one more method is there, if you need to find with another method, you can find like this। first find this angle, okay, by using angle sum property you can find this angle, then this will be vertically opposite of this angle। now angle sum property you can use in this triangle also। if you don't want to use exterior angle property then you can do like that also, okay, उस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं। it is not means it is up to you na, whatever method you like, whatever you want to do you can do like that, is it? so let's move to the next question। the next question we are having is question number 5। okay, let's see what we are having in question number 5। in figure 6.3, again we are given with figure 6.3, I'll draw it, okay, I'll draw the figure here। it is given like somehow this one, yes, and then this is point Q, this is given X, this is given 28 degree, 65 degree, this one is given Y, this is 90 degree, P, S or T। okay, we need to find the value of X and Y। to find is what, the value of X and Y, okay, and what we are given with is this one is perpendicular and also this PQ is parallel to this ST, okay, these are the given things। so जहाँ पे ज़रूरत होगी हम यूज कर लेंगे। this PQ is parallel to this ST, these are parallel and this is angle 90। so see, if this angle is 65, that means what, I'll take this one as angle 1, okay, I'm taking this one as angle 1, this angle 1 plus this one, okay, angle SQR। so angle 1 plus angle SQR, देख लो बहुत क्लियरली दिख जाता है फ्रॉम द फिगर इटसेल्फ। एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल SQR will be equals to this angle QRT, angle Q or T. Why these angles are equal? Exterior angle property again. Exterior angle property देखो ना, angle 1 plus 28 equals to 65 है ना. So angle 1 plus SQR is how much? 28 equals to 65. So how much we are getting as angle 1? So angle 1 we are getting equals to 65 minus 28. तो ये कितना आया? 37 degree. That is angle 1 we are getting. This is angle 1 we are getting. 37 degree. Now clearly see this angle 1 equals to this angle x. Angle 1 जो है x के equal है. क्यों है? Alternate interior भाई. PQ and ST are parallel ना. You can write PQ is parallel to ST. It is given. That means this angle 1 and x are equal. So angle 1 equals to x. That means x will be how much? X will be how much? It will be x equals to 37 degree. क्योंकि angle 1 37 था तो x भी उतना ही आएगा. Now this y plus this 90 and x in triangle PQS. देखो PQS, this triangle I am talking about, in triangle PQS. This x plus y plus this 90, x plus y plus angle P equals to 180. Why? Angle sum property. Now if x is 37 plus y plus angle P is 90, you can see that is perpendicular one, so 90, 180. Now y will be how much? Y equals to 180 minus 90 plus 37, 127. So it will be y equals to, we are getting 180 minus 127, 53 degree. That is the value of y. That is the value of x that we need to find out. So we will put them in our brackets or square form. So it is clearly visible na, if we will put something like that. Highlight, we need to highlight the answers. So let's move to the last and the most important question of this exercise. It will take a little time of you, so please try to watch this, क्योंकि ये सबसे important question है. This one is the most important question, I am telling once again. Okay, so the most important question we are going to discuss now, question number 6, what we are given with. Again we are given with a figure, so I'll draw it first. Okay, I'll draw the figure first. I'll draw a very neat and clean figure, so you will be able to understand everything. Okay, then this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S, and this is T. Okay, now see, these are the bisector. This RT is the bisector, that's why this one and this angle are equal. And similarly this QT, this is also given as bisector. देखो ये QT जो है ना, ये bisector है. I am telling it, please try to watch it clearly. This QT is the bisector, so this one, I'll take this one as angle 1, this one as angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. Okay, bisector is given ना, so that's why angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 3 and 4 are equal. देखो ये दोनों equal हैं, angle 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 are equal. Now we need to prove, what we need to prove. See, this is the most important question, please try to watch it very clearly. Angle QTR equals to half angle QPR. Okay, we will see, we need to prove this one, angle QTR equals to half angle QPR. Where is angle QTR? QTR, this one, I'll take this one as angle 5. And angle QPR, this one, I'll take this one as angle 6. So basically what we need to prove, angle 5 is half of angle 6. Basically in place of QTR, I will put angle 5. So angle 5 will be equals to half angle 6. That is what we need to prove. This angle 5 equals to half of angle 6. So let's see the proof. Now just see the proof very clearly. कैसे करने वाले हैं हम, ओके इसको ध्यान से देखेंगे. देखो सबसे पहले ना इसी ट्राइंगल में आ जाते हैं, ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर में. इन ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर, देखो ये वाला ट्राइंगल, यू आर एबल टू सी ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर. ओके सो इन ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर, इन ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर, दिस एंगल पी, see this angle RPQ, I'll name it angle RPQ or angle QPR we can say. So angle QPR, देख लो angle QPR plus angle PQR plus angle PQR, okay, equals to angle PRS, angle PRS. Why? Exterior angle property. देख लो भाई, दिस वन, एक तो एंगल मैंने ये लिया है एंगल क्यू पी आर जो एंगल 6 है, एक मैंने ये पूरा एंगल लिया है पी क्यू आर, ये बाहर वाले एंगल के इक्वल होगा ना एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी के. अब देख लो एंगल क्यू पी आर, दिस वन इज एंगल 6, एंगल 6 प्लस एंगल पी क्यू आर को ध्यान से देखो, पी क्यू आर ये दो एंगल से मिलके बना है 1 और 2 से. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ एंगल पी क्यू आर वी विल राइट एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 3 और एंगल 4 को भी ध्यान से देखो. क्यों? क्योंकि पी आर एस, देखो एंगल पी आर एस देख लो ये पूरा दोनों एंगल से मिलके बना है एंगल 3 और 4 से. सो एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 4. नाउ अब देखो हम क्या चेंज करने वाले हैं, ध्यान से. एंगल 1 एंड 2 आर इक्वल, तो मुझे 1 की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं 2 को ले लेता हूँ दो बार. एंगल 6 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 2, देख लो 1 की जगह पे मैंने 2 रख दिया है. सिमिलरली मुझे 3 की ज़रूरत नहीं है, 4 चाहिए. तो एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 4, इन प्लेस ऑफ एंगल 3 आई एम पुटिंग एंगल 4 प्लस एंगल 4, बिकॉज हमने क्या किया है 1 को 2 की जगह पे लिया है एंड 2 को 1 की जगह एंड 4 को 3 की जगह, क्योंकि ये इक्वल हैं, दिए हुए थे. एंगल 1 2 के इक्वल है, एंगल 4 3 के इक्वल है, वो दिया हुआ है. बाइसेक्टर है ना, तो बाइसेक्टर में यही तो होता है इक्वल. अब देखो एंगल 6 प्लस 2 टाइम्स एंगल 2 इज इक्वल्स टू, देख लो एंगल 6 प्लस 2 टाइम्स एंगल 2 इक्वल्स टू 2 टाइम्स एंगल 4. ये बना देंगे हम अपनी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. देख लो क्योंकि 2 टाइम्स एंगल 2 आ गया, 2 टाइम्स एंगल 4 आ गया. सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. नाउ वी विल मूव टू अनदर ट्राइंगल, ट्राइंगल टी क्यू आर. इन ट्राइंगल टी क्यू आर, देखो फिगर में खो जाना है. ओके यू हैव टू go to the figure, just search everything. TQR, this figure I am talking about. Now see, this angle 5 and this angle 2, the sum of this angle 5 and 2 will be equal to angle 4. देख लो, angle 5 plus angle 2 will be equals to angle 4. So we will write angle 5 plus angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. Again exterior angle property. अब एक चीज़ ध्यान देना, यहाँ पे हमारे पास फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में 2 एंगल 4 है और यहाँ पे एंगल 4 है. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई, ओके वी विल जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई द इक्वेशन बाय 2. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं क्योंकि वो साइड हमें कैंसिल करना है ना. तो 2 एंगल 5 प्लस 2 एंगल 2 विल बी इक्वल्स टू 2 एंगल 4. दिस इज व्हाट सेकेंड इक्वेशन. नाउ फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, देख लो फर्स्ट और सेकेंड से हमें क्या मिल रहा है. यहाँ से मिला 2 एंगल 5 प्लस 2 एंगल 2, 2 एंगल 5 प्लस 2 एंगल 2. देख लो सेकेंड से हमने ले लिया 2 एंगल 5 प्लस 2 एंगल 2, क्योंकि 2 एंगल 4 दोनों में से हट जाएगा, कॉमन है ना दोनों में. देख लो दोनों में से हटा देंगे 2 एंगल 4 को. तो यहाँ पे देखो 2 एंगल 5 ले लिया प्लस 2 एंगल 2 ले लिया. यहाँ पे देखो ऊपर एंगल 6 प्लस 2 एंगल 6 प्लस 2 एंगल 2. अब 2 एंगल 2 से 2 एंगल 2 कैंसिल आउट, बोथ आर सेम थिंग, कैंसिल आउट. सो 2 एंगल 5 विल बी इक्वल्स टू एंगल 6 एंड एंगल 5 विल बी इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ एंगल 6. एंगल 5 विल बी इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ एंगल 6। अब देख लो ऊपर हमें प्रूव क्या करना था, एंगल 5 इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ एंगल 6, एंगल 5 इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ एंगल 6 वी हैड प्रूव्ड, एंड we can now write the names angle QTR, angle QPR in place of 5 and 6. Angle QTR equals to half angle QPR, and hence proved. This is the thing we have proved. Okay, so see, a little bit difficult, I'll not say, but just try, means try to watch the video again. You can watch the video again to see all the things, सब कुछ watch the video on repeated mode, pause कर सकते हो, है ना, but try to check the possibilities we are getting from the figure. Okay, so this is the most important question I am again saying, so try to complete the exercise, and with this question we are almost over with this chapter, so we will be discussing some more extra questions of the chapter in our next video. That's it.